Forget that.
Hey, I'm here now.
Oh, hello. Let's go. Wow, this is our new house.
Yeah.
Wow, this looks so good.
Yeah.
Let's get inside.
Yeah, it's nice.
Make sure to open that. Go inside, guys.
Sa'yo ito.
Okay, and let's go here inside. We'll close that up. Wow, it looks so
So
good.
relaxing here.
This is the living room. Wow. Look at the window.
I go to the bed.
Okay.
It's so hot for the outside.
Okay. Look at the cabinet. Look at this. Look at the bookshelf. Wow. It looks so good. Okay, wow, it looks so good. Let's go to the kitchen. Okay. I don't wanna. I'm just gonna squeeze right into there.
Hey, come on.
Wait. Wait.
Come on. Right here.
Go here.
Let's go here.
Right here. Wow.
Come on.
Look at the kitchen.
Come
Wow,
on.
look at that. Oh,
Come on.
okay.
Let's go. To the bed.
Is that the room?
Yeah.
Okay, the bedroom. Let's go
Oh,
in.
see.
Close.
Nothing.
Wow, this bedroom looks so cool.
Yeah, it's good.
Look at that. Whoa. Wait, let's go to the. Let's go to the. Wait, I forgot to put our stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, but let's go to the bathroom first.
Yeah.
Get in.
Go.
Close it. We're here. Whoa.
I go this.
You wanna go back? Go to the bath. I go take a bath. Hey, excuse me. Wow, look at this.
You gonna poop?
Oh no! Okay,
so
let's
funny.
fix that later.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, there a water.
Open the door.
Wait
Open.
a minute. Here.
Okay, I'm going outside to
Okay.
put my stuff.
Here.
Okay, we're here. Oh,
I gonna do it here.
there. There's the
In
light
the
up.
bathroom.
We're here.
I gonna relax
Here.
here.
And this. So, let's go start up.
Relaxing.
We're here. What are you guys doing? Laying, relaxing. The boat. What do you think we're doing? Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's go in.
I gotta go here. Wait for me.
Let's go and take our stuff.
For me.
Okay, let's go back. Hello, I got our stuff.
Yes.
It's already inside, but yes, I like it. I like it. Okay. So what do we do for now? Maybe like, wait, I'm gonna look at the window first. Let's see.
Oh, yeah. Baka nasira.
Let's see. Oh, it's already nighttime. Let's go sleep. Okay, let's go. Now, let's sleep, y'all. I'm going to sleep down here.
No!
Why?
We
I wanna
have
sleep
here.
there.
It's safe.
Okay.
Go here.
I'm gonna sleep down here, okay?
Okay.
I'm sleeping here because I wanna be alone.
Alone?
Yes. Okay, bye. Good night.
Good night. Good morning.
Like it. Subscribe for more.